What's up, YouTube? This is 2013 Blizzard. You didn't know? Look at that shit. Fucking Blizzard. Fucking stores closed. Look, it's my fucking soda. It's my fridge right here. You don't know? Look at that shit. It's crazy. Snow. It's snow. Oh, that shit hurt. People outside having fun in the snow. I'm go with that snow. Ow. You're looking good, but later on tonight it's gonna be crazy. No stores open, no food. The only I got is my cigarettes and my soda. That's about that's it. Who give a fuck? Winter? This is shit scary. It's nothing. Fucking emo. Why the fuck they call this shit emo for? Emo or Elmo? What the fuck that little fish called? Who give a fuck? Well, this is how it goes in 2013 winter blizzard in fucking United States. You dig New England? You ain't from New England? And get the fuck out of here. Because this is New England. You even know I'm off this. This your boy. All that your boy. Then I'm out. Peace.